Enhance your low-quality footage with just a single click in Filmora Mobile with the new AI Ultra HD feature. Also convert your footage into a cinematic slow motion with the new Optical Flow feature. Want to learn about these features? Keep watching. First, launch Filmora Mobile, and you will find the Ultra HD option on the main interface. If you can't find it here, click on More and then select AI Ultra HD. Then select the footage which you want to enhance, click on Generate, and within a few seconds, AI will enhance your footage. You can click on this before and after to check the result. You can also click on Project Edit and further edit your footage on the timeline. The next feature is Optical Flow, which allows you to slow down your footage by creating and adding a frame in between, resulting in smooth, slow-motion footage. First, launch Filmora Mobile and click on More. Then select Optical Flow. It will ask you to select the footage, select your footage, and click on Import. You can see this in normal footage. Now to make it in slow motion, from the footer menu select Speed, and then reduce the speed. Now if we play it again, you will notice that the playback is not smooth. Now to make it smooth, we will use Optical Flow. From the footer menu select AI Enhance, and then make sure Optical Flow is selected. Then select the frame rate and AI will start working on your footage. And within a few seconds, you will get awesome slow motion video. Download Filmora Mobile and try out these new features by yourself. See you in the next video.